If you want to change EQ on the Motorola Moto G87, first of all we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, go to Sound and Vibration, and then you want to scroll down in order to find the Dolby Atmos option. Once we open Dolby Atmos, you can tap on the setting icon in the bottom left corner. Now over here, what you can do is either you can customize each of these profiles if you choose the Smart Audio option, or any of them, I guess. And if you tap on this pen, then you should be able to find a couple of different presets like the Brilliant Treble, Bass Boost, and Vocal Boost, or you can just set it to flat. But unfortunately, you cannot really manually adjust them. But what you can do is you can use a custom profile instead. And if you go to Settings, then over here you can actually adjust the volume of different frequencies. So if you know how to use them, then of course you should be able to easily adjust it. But here we also have a couple of presets just like before, like the Brilliant Treble, Bass Boost, and Vocal Boost. Besides that, you can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner in order to reset the EQ in case you want to, of course, do so. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.